Here is the front garden with main entrance to the property. On the right there is a living room with lots of natural light. Through the door is the kitchen, which has a dining table area. Through the door you can see views of the garden, and the kitchen has lots of appliances. There's off-street parking and alternate access to the rear garden through the side gate. Here is the rear garden. On the first floor lobby, there are 3 bedrooms. The first bedroom is a double bedroom with a built-in closet. Here is the bathroom with a window for natural ventilation. Here is the second bedroom, which is a single bedroom. And here is a third bedroom, which is also a single bedroom, which also has a shelving area. Thank you.